Hey everybody, greetings from the channel again. Today we're going to examine the Realme GT4, a phone that is causing quite a stir in the smartphone market. Consider a gadget that offers you premium performance, the kind you only get from flagship devices at an affordable price. With the GT4, Realme has accomplished precisely that. It's powerful, stylish, and to be honest, a game changer for anyone trying to maximize their financial resources. This video is for you if you're sick of sacrificing functionality or camera quality in order to obtain a reasonable pricing. Let's examine why the Realme GT4 is among the top options available in 2024. First, let's talk about the design. The Realme GT4 is a stylish, high-end device that feels wonderful to hold. It has a strong and long-lasting metal frame with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 covering the front and rear. With its sleek, rounded corners and thin frame, the phone exudes luxury. Additionally, it is available in stunning finishes like sparkling blue, traditional black, and a stunning new sunset gold option that is sure to turn heads. This phone has that wow factor without the flagship price, making it the type you want to show off. Let's now discuss the display. This is a 6.7-inch AMOLED panel with FHD resolution and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Everything feels so fluid, whether you're scrolling, playing games, or watching movies. It is ideal for people who desire intense gaming or streaming experience because of the striking contrast and rich, vivid colors. Additionally, it is excellent even in direct sunshine. With a maximum brightness of 1000 nits dot with the GT4, Realme truly excelled at the display, which is one of those areas where you feel like you're getting flagship quality for mid-range cost. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, which is extraordinarily potent for a mid-range phone, powers the Realme GT4 below. With up to 12 GB of RAM, multitasking, gaming, and managing demanding apps are all made simple, this phone does not let you down. Whether you're a gamer who enjoys action with high frame rates or you simply want a quick, dependable experience. Additionally, even during prolonged gaming sessions, the phone won't overheat thanks to its cooling mechanism. The Realme GT4 feels almost too wonderful to be true because it offers flagship level performance without the blockbuster price tag. One major concern is battery life, and the Realme GT4 delivers with a 5000 mAh battery. Don't worry if you're out and about without a charger because you can easily get a whole day with moderate to heavy use. The best thing though is that it includes 65W Super Dart fast charging, which allows you to get from 0% to 100% in around 30 minutes. This feature, which is typically only seen on more expensive phones, is simply another example of how the GT4 goes above and beyond. Alright, this one is for you camera enthusiasts. A 50MP primary sensor, an 8MP ultra wide, and a 2MP macro lens make up the Realme GT4's triple camera configuration. Even in low light, the primary sensor records amazing detail, and the colors appear vivid but realistic. It can record videos in 4K at 30 frames per second, providing you with high quality footage that can compete with phones that cost significantly more. Realistic depth and a pleasing blur in the backdrop make portraits look stunning as well. This phone allows you the freedom to be creative without boundaries if you enjoy taking pictures or making content while on the run. So is the Realme GT4 a good purchase? To be honest, this is one of the greatest phones available right now if you're searching for one that blends price, style, and performance. Realme has really produced a gadget that surpasses expectations, providing flagship phone level power and features at a far more affordable price. The Realme GT4 is evidence that you don't have to compromise because it offers both pricing and performance. It serves as a reminder that the greatest things can occasionally be found in unexpected places. Let me know in the comments what aspect of the Realme GT4 most excites you, and if you enjoyed this review, please subscribe for more like it. I appreciate you watching and I hope to see you in the future one.